Good morning everyone, and in today's video K70 Ultra from TridentZ and without any additional cost. Let's unbox it. I have to be honest with you, I already unboxed this device, so it won't look like new. Case is included, and of course some paperwork. The device itself, let me just put it aside. And what accessories are we going to have? Oh, we do have a 120 watt charger and a power cable. Of course, there's a converter included. I live in Central Europe, so I have a Central Europe one. If you live in UK or any other different country which has a different plug, you will get a compatible in the box. The case itself, let me put it on. Tight. It will protect the camera all around, and it will protect the screen all around, and mostly in corners. Feels very nice in the hand. Look at that screen. Wow, very nice. If we take it out, let's take it out. Also feels very nice in the hand because it has flat edges, and that is really nice. Look at that screen. Power button has a little bit of texture on it. Antennas, volume button. Is it the correct height? Yeah, can easily reach for those buttons. At the top, ear blaster, 2 microphones, 2 antennas, on the left antennas, and on the bottom, SIM card tray, microphone, 2 antennas, USB Type-C, and the speaker. And of course, cameras, 50 megapixel with optical image stabilization, AI camera, and the flash. Fingerprint sensor, quick. Wow, really quick, 144 Hz. I already installed a couple of my apps, reasons. Wow, everything looks gorgeous, smooth. Google News, here we go. It's all, oh wow, that's one of my videos. That's super cool. It's cool that the YouTube is promoting my videos for Google. In display settings, maximum brightness, wow. It is very, very bright. Of course, we do have dark mode if you wanted to, but for the purpose of this video, let's stick with a not over light. Refresh rate up to 144, which is fixed, or default if you want it dynamic, but I won't do that dynamic. Fixed is super cool. The battery is so huge, and it won't matter. All right. But what about power? And the power that's 2,150,000, which is one of the biggest score I've seen ever in any smartphone. Shocking. Storage tests, also very important. One of the fastest I've seen ever in the market. UFS 4.0, that's 2,268 for 1,548, which is wow. I think that's faster than the latest iPhone. Shocking. There's also an AI read, that's a new benchmark. I have nothing to compare it. It's 6.7, so let me know if it's good or not. Well, if those numbers doesn't mean anything to you, we also have a geek benchmark. And look at those numbers. Damn, that's more powerful than Galaxy S24 Ultra. Single, more powerful. Not too much, but a little bit more points. And in the multi-mode, it's way more points. Look, Galaxy S24 Ultra with dedicated Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is overclocked, 6.7, we have 7.3. Damn, that is very impressive. And do remember, if you want to do a benchmark and have maximum performance, you have to go to settings, hit the battery, and hit the ultimate mode. It will drain the battery more, but you will get a maximum performance. Also, charging options. If you want a top speed, you have to select top speed because in default isn't standard. But those numbers doesn't mean anything. If you're going to use them, then gaming. Maximum settings in 60 frames per second. Wow, it's all smooth. Like butter. Buttery smooth. Nice. Gaming is super cool, but what about camera? And camera it is also insane. Look at that. Do you see that in the corner? 8K 30 frames per second, which is only an ultra camera flagship. Latest and greatest. 30, not 24, 30. And this one also has such a feature. Wow. The whole menu camera is very similar to the ultra flagship Xiaomi smartphones. You can say it's the same. We have focus peaking, we have log if you wanted to. I'll make a dedicated camera video, so step by step we will see all the features. Of course, we have documents if you want to scan. That is super cool. Video, like I said, an 8K 30 or 4K 60 if you wanted to. We do have teleprompter, which is super nice, and subtitles. For example, okay, we have to turn on the subtitles first. Front camera is only Full HD, unfortunately. Subtitles, and it should add subtitles on the fly. Is it on? In a world of fantastic smartphones, there's one which could give you a maximum experience. K70 Ultra is inexpensive and very powerful. Can you see that? In a world of fantastic smartphones, there's one which could give you a maximum experience. K70 okay, it's not like 100% accurate, but my English is also not 100%. So there's that. I think it's English, French, Deutsch, Chinese. I think so. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comment below. Photo, HDR, of course, if you want to, and all kinds of stuff. Check out the portrait. Wow, it is tracking me nicely. There's a night mode, there's a dual video, there's a 50 megapixel, there's a direct view, so you can connect another camera or monitor, and all kinds of loots and filters. All right, let me show you some samples.
The device has a great zoom in 8K 30 frames per second, and the quality outside is also quite good. Inside, with a artificial light, also looks rather sharp. And with a very difficult test with the aquarium, which is the refresh of the lights in the aquarium is very different than in the camera, it also handled it nicely, very nicely. Wow, these are good looking fishes, very healthy fishes. Ferrari Rosso Corsa, and like you can see, it is oversaturating that red just a bit, because Rosso Corsa looks a little bit different. There's a different red. You see, on these roses, it's not too much. It's oversaturating the colors. But most smartphones do that, unfortunately. There are only a couple of smartphones in the world which have a correct colors, like an iPhone 16 Pro. But anyway, details are good. This is nothing fancy in the camera department, the regular camera. Let me leave you with those pictures. I'll come back to you in a second.
The device is also with Dolby Atmos, Xiaomi sound, and it has a good equalizer. Customization is vast, so stereo speakers.
Then what did we learn? And we learned that it has a beautiful screen, 144 Hz is killing it. Flat screen, so feels very nice in the hand. Huge battery, 5,500 mAh battery, lasts you for the whole day easy, even 2 days, it all depends how you use your device. As the most powerful processor for the Android smartphone in the world at the moment, which the numbers don't lie. It is what it is. $420, link in the description. That is insane. How did they did it? For 400 bucks? Well, of course, if you buy a $1,000 smartphone, you will have a better cameras. Those cameras are good, but not fantastic like the ultimate smartphones. But there are some people which don't care too much about the camera. And I personally know those people who like taking a photo, two photos or 3 photos every week, and they really don't care. They're all about performance. And this one has it all. Ultimate performance with a memory, chip, screen, speakers, and battery. What else would you want? And $420. Wow, a real flagship killer. That's all I have. See you next video. Bye. Oh, and it's not overheating at all.